Kia ora koutou. This week's focus is asking where people are from. No hea koe. This means where are you from? There is also no hea ia. This means where is she or he from? Haere mai e hoa ma.
No hea koe. Where are you from? This is a common question in Te Ao Māori. Māori express their identity links to people, places and iwi, and also trace their whakapapa. But in this case, we're going to be referring to where you're from, as in where your town is, or your city, where you live. When answering where you are from, you would begin with no, followed by your location and aho. So if I was from Wellington, I would say no pōneke aho, which means I'm from Wellington.
Let's go see where other people are from. Remember the words are no hea koe, which means where are you from? No hea koe.
No inia aho.
No India koe. Vai is from India. No hea koe.
No Singapore aho.
No Singapore koe. Caitlin is from Singapore. No hea koe.
No whakatiki aho.
Oh. No whakatiki koe. Grace is from Upper Hutt. No hea koe.
No tamaki makouro aho.
Ooh. No tamaki makouro koe. Bo is from Auckland. No hea koe.
No Manawatu aho.
No Manawatu koe. Miss Rita is from Manawatu.
No hea koe. Where are you from? Make sure to take the time to get to know others around you. Ka mau te wehi.
What has been happening in Ruma Toru and Ruma Wha?
And Aotearoa. And about the animals we saw at Staglands in Māori.
In Boston, what are you learning in Rumatahi?
We're learning about Aotearoa. In the forest, about trees, leaves, and grass. And our bird. For in the forest. And our cable to protect them. In Roma Ono, we went to Staglands and we wrote poems about the animals. We made animals that we saw at Staglands. Ruma Whitu and Ruma Wairu are learning to be kaitiaki of our school gardens. Come and see our photos and hear that today we have learned. Kai ki te anō.
Okay, this is Ruma Iwa. As you can see, we are working on our project for the expo, and in the background you can hear the bush, the native bush of New Zealand. So this is us working on our project. We're going to have a display in here, a combined display with Ruma Takau and Ruma Iwa. We're going to transform this space into the expo place.
What has been learning in Ruma Tukaratahi?
I've been learning about Ngākei and Whatatai, the two tanifas about Wellington Harbour. And we made some music with my music teacher to go with this art. And we've also been learning about Matariki.
What has been happening in Ruma Tukumaru?
We've been learning about how to make these clay sculptures of the expo for week 10.
Nice. What has been happening in Ruma Takau Mātoru?
We have been creating Māori items, like retelling stories as Maui and the fish hook, and we made Maui's fish hook. And some people have made some glass art of Aotearoa and the fish hook. And some more people have drawn kiwis and sharks and other things.
What has been happening in Room 15?
We've been making spirit bird art that we'll be showcasing at the expo next week on Thursday. We're doing this in groups of 5 or 4, and this is a collage piece of art. So we'll be using lots of different materials like newspaper, paper, filter paper, and other too.
And yeah, so this is our art for the expo, Te Wairoa o Te Reo Māori, and like Sophie said, we're doing our spirit bird art, which is collage, and yeah.
What has been happening in Room 16?
We have been making these taniwha cards for the story of the two taniwha of Wellington Harbour. They each have different stat numbers, one special ability, and one name. We all decorated them ourselves.
To get the special things, you would roll a dice and you would have your numbers, you would write them down, and you would write them in the order you would like them in.
You could choose any order.
Koutou!
Ko koshoku ingoa no inia aho. Ko bin chochin te manga ka lokna gata awa no kotirana aho ko maui tuku ingoa.
Ko mahuhu ki te rangi te waka, ko maunga kikia te maunga, ko waitimata te moana, ko Ngāti Whātua te iwi, ko te tau te uringatu ngā oho ngā hapu, ko ora kei te marae, ko Georgia tōku ingoa. Kia te puai ēnei kākano hei rākau nui. In class we have been making heke, which are a traditional Māori raincoat. Oh, and also in class we have been printing on t-shirts based on a whakatauki we found. Kush's whakatauki is me mahi tahi tātou mo te oranga o te katoa.
This means working together. Come check it out at the expo.
Ka kite!
Kia ora, Upper Hutt School. Ko Callahan tōku ingoa, ko Grace tōku ingoa.
We're this week's Pride TV news anchors.
That's right. We are so excited to take you through what's been happening here at Upper Hutt School. It has been a very busy term too for everyone.
Spot on, Callahan. We've had 2 school trips. First, the Kakanua Syndicate to Staglands. Secondly, the Mahudi Syndicate to Zealandia.
These trips have been helping students learn more about Aotearoa wildlife and the natural environment that we live in. Students have enjoyed being out of the classroom and connecting with the great outdoors.
In other news, Ruma Tokoma Rima, Tokoma Ono and Tokoma Tahi have been busy creating music with Miss Jones. They have been developing music to describe the story of the Taniwha of Wellington Harbour. We can't wait to see and hear their final product.
Musically speaking, there's been more going on at Upper Hutt School too. The Mighty Monkeys, our school band, has been jamming together nicely and are showing that they know how to rock a crowd. Watch out for them at the disco next term.
Our school has a very important event coming up next Thursday evening.
Yes, we do, Grace. It is our Te Reo Māori community event kicking off at 3 p.m.
We have Kapahaka Roku performing from our school, as well as some from Trentham School, Arizona College, Te Kuru o Hau Karetu, and Maidstone Intermediate.
It is going to be fantastic to see these talented performers. Classrooms will also be open to share the learning they have done on Te Reo Māori and Aotearoa and New Zealand history for this term.
Everyone is welcome to come along. There will be karae to enjoy from yummy food trucks while you explore everything on offer at this event.
We can't wait to whakanui our Te Reo Māori, that is to celebrate the Māori language.
We hope that all students and whānau have a great end to term 2 and a safe and relaxing school holidays.
Mā te wā!